Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to block someone on TikTok. Social media should feel safe, not stressful. If someone is making your TikTok experience uncomfortable through unwanted messages, comments or interactions, blocking them is the simplest way to regain peace of mind. So here's a clean, easy to follow guide on how to do that. First of all, open up TikTok app and go to the search bar at the top right corner once you've logged into your account from the home page. In the search box, go ahead and type in the username of the person you are trying to block. After typing down the name, click on the users button from the top and select the person from the search results and tap on their profile name to get to their profile. Once you get to their profile, go ahead and tap on the arrow button at the top right corner. Here in the pop-up, you will see the block button. Tap on it and confirm that you want to block the person by tapping block once again. Once blocked, neither of you can view each other's content. You cannot send messages to each other or interact via comments or follows. So that's how you can block someone on TikTok. By taking control of your interactions with TikTok's block feature, you're ensuring a safer, more comfortable digital experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.